Hi guys, welcome again. In this video, I will be showing you how to find the area and perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Let's begin. An equilateral triangle is a triangle that has all three sides equal. As you can see in the figure here, triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle because it has all the three sides equal. So, in this video, I will show you how to find the area of this triangle. Okay, so let's see. Let's draw it. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not going to scale now. So this is OAB, and here we have SS. This S represents one of the sides of the triangle, and if this side is S, this side will be S, and this side will also be S because they are all equal in length. So we have S here, we have S. But this length OB is the base of the triangle. So to find the area of this triangle, we first of all need to get the height of this triangle. And the height will be perpendicular to this line from point A. So this is the height of the triangle. Let's call it H. And this height will separate this base into two equal halves. So if the distance from here to here is S, then the distance from here to here will be half of S, and the distance from here to here will be half of S. So the distance from this length to this length. Okay. And let's call it place D. Half OABD. Good. So this length will be S over 2, which is half of S. S over 2, which is half of S. So we can obtain our area, but before then, this height divided this triangle into two equal halves. So let's extract triangle ADB from this portion. Half triangle ADB, and this length is S over 2. This H, which is the height of this triangle, this is S. Okay, so let's determine the height. To do this, we use a particular string that says that the sum of the squares of two sides of the triangle is equal to the sum and is equal to the square of the longest side of the triangle. And this is the triangle. So the particular string tells us that A squared plus B squared must give us C squared. So A here will be H squared plus B is S over 2 all squared must keep all the longest side, which is S squared. So have H squared plus when we square S over 2 will give us our S squared over 4 equal S squared. So in here when we want to find H, what we do, we send this S squared over 4 across the equal sign. So our H squared is now equal to S squared minus S squared over 4. So we solve this fraction, we'll have H squared is equal to, how do we pronounce this by 1 and find the LCD, which is 4. 1 into 4 equals 4 times S squared gives us S squared. Gives us 4S. 1 into 4 equals 4 times S squared gives us 4S squared. 4S squared minus 4 into 4 equals 1 time S squared is S squared. So 4S squared minus S squared is 3S squared over 4. So the height of H squared is now equal to 3S squared over 4. But remember that I want to find the height, which is H, not H squared. So the get rid of this square here will find the square root of both sides of the equation. The square root. The square root of H squared is H. The square root of S squared is S. And the square root 3 has no previous square root, so remain on the square root. The root of 3. The square root of 4 is 2. So H is now equal to S, the square root of 3 all over 2. So this is the formula we use to find this is the height of this equilateral triangle. And we know the formula to find the area of the triangle is A equals 1/2 BH. This is the formula to find the area of the right angle triangle. But in this figure, we have two right angle triangles, triangle BAD and triangle DAO and triangle DAB. So this height is this height is H, which is S with 3 over 2. So the area of this entire triangle will be the area of triangle 1 plus the area of triangle 2. And we know the base of triangle 1 is S over 2. And the base of triangle 2 is S over 2. But the two triangles share the same height. So let's find area 1. Area 1 is equal to 1 over 2. The base is S over 2. And the height is S square root of 3 over 2. Okay. And we know from the figure area 1 is equal to area 2. So the total area of this triangle will be equal to area 1 plus area 2. So we multiply this, we have area 1 to be equal to S, because you have 1 over 2 times S over 2 times S root 3 over 2. So we multiply this, we have S squared root 3 over 8. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. 8. So the total area of this triangle here will be nothing else but 2 times area 1 will be 2 times S squared root of 3 over 8. S squared root of 3 over 8. Okay, like I was saying, the entire area of this triangle will be 2 times area 1. So the 2 times S squared root 3 over 8, it will give us S squared root 3 over 4. So this is the formula we use to find the area of equilateral triangle. So the area is now equal to S squared root of 3 or 3 over 4, where S represents one of the sides of the triangle. So this is the formula we use. So what to get? So next, let's derive the formula to find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Okay. We know a perimeter is the distance around a figure. So the entire distance around the triangle will be the distance plus the distance plus the other distance. So let's call it perimeter P. The first distance is S plus S plus S. So P is equal to 3S. So this is the formula we use to find the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. So let's work one example using these formulas. Okay, this is the problem. We are asked to find the area and perimeter of an equilateral triangle if one of its sides measures 3 meters. So let's draw a triangle. Okay, so let's name it O, M, This triangle OMN. And we say, and then from the question, one side measures 3 meters. This 3 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters. Okay. So we say S is equal to 3 meters. So let's begin by finding the area. The area formula is A equal S squared root 3 all over 4. So we say A is equal to S is 3 meters square root 3 over 4. A is equal to 3 meters square case on 9 square meter root 3 over 4. So first, this is the area of the triangle. Let's find the perimeter next. From the formula we derive, the perimeter is P equal 3S, where S represents one of the sides of the triangle. So say P is equal to 3, and one of the sides is 3 meters. So the perimeter is equal to 3 times 3 is 9 meters. So this is the perimeter of the triangle. So folks, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. Thank you.